This is neither another episode of Suits nor a Barney Stinson special. No, we are at the ABS Conference 2014 with the topic, Can Valuing Currencies Be an Exact Science? So we are all in finances right now, and we have business partners over here at ABS and professionals and professors from different partner universities, and we're going to ask them questions as usual and get some exciting answers and have some nice footage for you.
There are many aspects we would like to cover today. First of all, we would like to give students an opportunity to work for a whole day on specific interesting cases with a mixture of theoretical aspects in the morning and very practical cases with business partners in the afternoon, which gives the students an opportunity to really apply the theory they get from classes into really practical cases. So that's the most important ambition for today. Next to that, it will give students possibility to do some networking, because next to the students of ABS, also alumni of ABS joined this conference. So there is the possibility for students to network, not only let's say for their study, but also for graduation assignments and for internships and for other future career steps.
Minnesota State University, MSU, has a partnership with Han University. We are exchanging students, and my role here, I'm visiting Han University for 2 weeks to figure out how to make our exchange program more rich and in terms of volume as well as quality.
And will you adapt something to your curriculum?
I think this is quite exciting and learning will be enhanced, so I'm quite impressed by Han's approach.
Which company are you working for? Like which one is it? Rabobank. Okay. And how do you like it so far? The program? Think it's beneficial for you guys?
This day, you mean, the conference?
Exactly.
Yeah, well, it's interesting. Also, the combination between the academic partners and the business partners, and the combination of those two is beneficial. Yeah, definitely. It's fun.
Do you like it so far? The whole program? Who wants to answer?
It's nice.
It's nice. What company are you working for? Like the case?
We're working on the case for K&N.
Kuehne+Nagel, right? All right. Having a hard time, or is it doable?
Yeah, more or less. It's kind of tricky, definitely.
Kind of tricky, but still exciting?
Yeah, still exciting, definitely. Yeah.
The reason why I'm here is that I like this interaction with the students. I like the interaction with the universities. I also believe it's extremely important to have this interaction, both for us as for the schools and universities. We try to have this because this exchange. Because it keeps us in touch with students with potential, future talent for our company, but also with ideas. It's not just about the human assets here, but it's also about sharing ideas and making sure that people learn the right things. That's a focus on the right things, yes. What I think is you really need to have fun in what you do. You need to like what you do. That is, you need to be passionate. Passion for excellence is one of our values as a company, and to me that's one of the most important values. If you're good at what you do, you'll do the things you want to do, right? Obviously you can focus on next steps, on career, etc. But you also have to enjoy life and have fun and like what you do. And put a lot of energy in it, and you will get it back.
My question is, what was the reason that you fortunately still found time for us being here and participate, and what do you hope to have a benefit from this program?
Well, first of all, it's important for me to get out of the daily business and get a bit of a feeling of what's going on in a university. To learn what students are doing, what they are busy with, but also to help students develop themselves and give them some hints on practical things in finance, and also, of course, that the people in the room get to know Kuehne+Nagel a bit. It's also very important for us that Kuehne+Nagel is known within the finance community in order to attract young and good professionals.
Brand awareness.
Brand awareness.
I'm Joost Pape. I'm head of finance for Rabo International, based in Utrecht.
And how do you feel about the program of this conference so far?
It's very nice. I asked this morning if this was an annual event.
Hopefully it's going to be. Right?
They said yes, and this is the first time. It sounded very nice.
Yeah.
It's very interesting. I like the lectures this morning. It's a very broad and complicated topic. So it's and I think the three cases are quite different. So probably I think a lot of students will find it a challenge to tie back everything that was said in the morning back to the case. But at the same time, that shows a bit of the complications of real life. And it gives the opportunity to be creative, to think about real business problems. Soon we will have one of your students starting on a graduation assignment with us. So I think it's also in terms of publicity and making people enthusiastic about Rabo International that I'd like to do this, because it's a fruitful cooperation, I think, two ways.
But what I appreciated about your performance was that you managed to make it crisp and clear, and I got the impression that you knew what you were dealing with. At least you could identify the specific transaction risks, the translation risks, the economic risks, and like I said, there's no clear solution. We don't have sufficient data, but you came with good suggestions for the problems identified.
So I think some of the solutions you presented are ideas in different directions. I think they're basically sound ideas, and actually the first one, the joint venture, is something that we started on about 1.5 years ago to actually execute that. There were other groups that had the same ideas. What I found impressive in your presentation is also that you were very thorough in thinking through the circumstances and also the risks associated with the various solutions. So it became very realistic.
You guys, you are busy with your study, with a lot of theoretical models, nice schedules, etc., etc. But this was really a test if you could translate all that into a real daily business case, and I think this group did best for that.
Which means that the team that won the first, because it was the first ABS conference, the 2014 conference, was the team of Rabobank. Piotr and his guys.
I am here now with the winning team of the business case. Congratulations, guys, first of all, and how do you feel about the whole day? Did you like it?
Yes, well, I think we enjoyed very much, and probably it is part of our success that we just were really relaxed and we were having a lot of fun with trying to solve the issue.
The ABS conference 2014 is officially over, and it was a full success, and hopefully it's going to be an annual event from now on. So thank you for all the interviewees and all the participants, and hopefully see you guys next year again. Thanks.